SYN-OS, a highly customizable and efficient Arch Linux-based operating system. Introduction. SYN-OS is an operating system developed by William Hayward-Holland, syntax 990, that caters to advanced users seeking a highly customizable and efficient computing experience. Built on the foundations of Arch Linux, SYN-OS features a minimalist user interface built from modular components, granting users unparalleled flexibility in customizing the system to their precise requirements. Installation process. Stage 0, SYN Stage 0, SH. The installation process commences with the SYN Stage 0, SH script, responsible for performing essential tasks to establish the system's foundation. Disk partitioning. The script enables users to tailor the disk partitioning by customizing variables related to drive wiping, boot partition creation, root partition setup, mount locations, and file system types. It facilitates disk wiping, creates the boot and root partitions, and formats them accordingly with the desired file systems. Package installation. SYN-OS streamlines the installation process through categorizing packages into different variables. Users can modify these variables to selectively include or exclude specific packages, allowing for a personalized package selection. The script employs the packstrap tool to install the chosen packages, ensuring their inclusion in the resulting system. System configuration. SYN-OS emphasizes robust system configuration. The script handles tasks such as keyboard layout setup, NTP, network time protocol, configuration for accurate time synchronization, DHCP setup for seamless network connectivity, and mirror mystics, which optimize package downloads by leveraging the reflector tool to generate an optimized mirror list. Additionally, the script updates package databases and enhances system security by securing the keyring. Root overlay materials. To facilitate extensive customization, SYN-OS provides a root overlay feature. Users can add their own files and configurations to the SYN-OS v4/root_overlay directory. During installation, these materials are copied to the root directory, allowing users to further tailor the system to their preferences and requirements. Stage 1, SYN Stage 1, SH. Upon completing Stage 0, users execute the SYN Stage 1, SH script within the new root directory to finalize the installation process. System configuration, SYN Stage 1. SH handles additional system configurations, encompassing the setup of the username, hostname, locale settings, hardware clock, and mirror list. These configurations are fully customizable, enabling users to create a personalized environment precisely aligned with their specific requirements. Bootloader configuration. The script configures the bootloader using the bootctl tool, ensuring a seamless boot process and proper loading of essential system components. Final steps. Following the execution of SYN Stage 1, SH, users are advised to reboot the system. This allows all the changes made during the installation process to take effect, resulting in a stable and fully functional SYN-OS environment. Usage considerations. Expertise. SYN-OS caters to advanced users with a profound understanding of Linux systems, particularly Arch Linux. Proficiency in system customization and administration is vital to fully leverage the capabilities of SYN-OS. Customization. SYN-OS offers extensive customization options. Users can modify variables to personalize disk partitioning, package selection, locale settings, and other configurations. The root overlay materials provide an avenue for further customization by integrating user-specific files and configurations. Caution. Prudent caution should be exercised when using the scripts and customizing variables. Errors or improper modifications can result in data loss or system instability. It is imperative to meticulously review disk and partition variables to ensure accurate configuration before proceeding. Documentation. Comprehensive documentation or user guides are recommended to aid users in comprehending and harnessing the full potential of SYN-OS. These resources should cover customization options, available modules, and best practices for modifying SYN-OS. Conclusion. SYN-OS delivers advanced users a highly customizable and efficient operating system rooted in Arch Linux. By harnessing its customization options, users can tailor SYN-OS to their specific needs and preferences. Through meticulous customization of disk partitioning, package selection, and system configurations, users can attain an optimal computing experience with SYN-OS.